Hi, I'm Mark Moritz with Human Touch, and I want to tell you about one of our newest products, the iJoy Massage Anywhere. How many times have you been in your home or outside your home and wish you had a solution for tired, aching, sore muscles? Well, now we have a device that can provide a powerful, portable solution to receiving a massage anytime, anywhere. How it provides this is through a lithium-ion battery that is rechargeable and can give you up to an hour of cordless massage. The iJoy Massage Anywhere comes with FlexGlide technology, and this technology is the same technology you'd find in many of our massage chairs. We've actually put it into this device and made it truly cordless. This is something that sets it apart from any other device on the market. You can take this anywhere you go, whether it's to the beach, to a park, any place where you can sit down, lean against something, and get a full 1 hour massage without being plugged in. Also, for your convenience, you have an onboard remote control where you can simply push the green button and start your massage right away. If you prefer, you can remove the remote control and you can toggle through this green button for 3 different auto massage programs, 15 minutes each: kneading, compression, glide. If you need more than the 15 minutes, just simply start over again and you'll have a second 15-minute session. You can also target the rollers to where you want, and you can also control the width to your desired preference. With this device, you can leave it fully upright in a vertical position to get a massage experience for the entire back. If you just have a nagging lower back muscle, or say something in the lumbar area, you can also take the massage anywhere. You can tilt it on its side and it'll just work the lumbar area. You can also lay it flat on the ground and you can just lean up against something, put your legs on that, and it'll massage your thighs and your calves. You have a handle that's easy for transporting your device anywhere you like. You can also connect the shoulder strap and it easily fits over your shoulder and comfortably taken anywhere you want to go.